charlatans. They are deceivers. They are not interested in cure for HIV because of the antiretroviral drugs. Toxic drugs that you must take under prescription by doctor, and once they put you on it, you must take it for life. The average cost of treatment for a year is $20,000. You must take it for a year. $20,000 is 7.2 million naira treatment every year. That's what they are getting from the Nigerian government, from any person they put on antiretroviral drugs. For a few kobo, literally, you can get cured with my treatment. Now, to make matters worse, a few years back, a young man went to the Gwagwalada Specialist Hospital, now called University of Abuja Teaching Hospital, to donate blood for his friend who was sick. When they screened him, they found that he had HCV, hepatitis C virus infection, and then educated him that there is no cure. You must be very careful. You can't give your blood to anyone. Be careful about how you have sex. You must have condom. The young man with the mother came to me crying. The mother was aware that I have this vaccine. I said, why are you crying? Forget about them, my dear. Just sign the usual form for me. I'll treat your son. But before I do it, all he had told me is hearsay. I'll take your blood now and send it to the same hospital for them to confirm. I took the sample there, they confirmed. I started this treatment, outpatient treatment every day. For the first week, after that I reduced it. After 5 weeks, I said, now let's take your blood test. We took his blood, no more antibodies against HCV. The young man left here jubilating and telling people along the road why he was jubilating. All this I made available to the government. The present government, they ignored it. Some months back too, a foreigner came to me for treatment for both HIV and HCV. I started treating him. This foreigner was diagnosed from his country. He submitted all his results to me. Within 1 week of treatment, his HCV had gone. No more HCV RNA in his blood. He was on antiretroviral drugs. I asked him to stop it. Let's see if the virus will bounce back. He stopped his antiretroviral drug. For 11 days that he spent after birth, no HIV showed in his blood. But the young man said he had to travel back to his country. I said, okay, you go back. I wish you stayed for some years so that you clear your antibodies. Ladies and gentlemen, all these are made available to the government. All the people of goodwill who know me, they approached the PDP government of 16 years, nothing. Now they have approached APC government. I'm sorry to say, they are the same Nigerians, not interested in any scientific discovery. All they think is that Dr. Balaka is a masquerade maker. I'm not a masquerade maker. Or I'm using witchcraft. I'm not using witchcraft. I'm using pure scientific thinking and reasoning and approach. That is the position we are. I intend that I must express my gratitude to all those who have been struggling with me. But I'm ashamed of the Nigerian government at all levels, at all tiers. When my work was published, I spent tens of thousands of naira, made copies, and sent to who is who in Nigeria, the judiciary, the legislature, both at the state, local government, and federal level, the MDAs, all the commissioners of health. None of them has done anything. The last National Assembly, under a medical doctor called Saraki, Olushola Saraki, he claimed to be a doctor. He knows I have this vaccine. For 4 years, he was not interested. Because all he's interested is how to make money. That is what all of them are doing. They are making stupendous amounts of money from so-called foreign grants. Whereas the money they would have got from supporting a research with a useful output that they did not contribute would have earned Nigeria billions of dollars every month because my treatment is effective against 3 dreaded and dreadful viruses. My treatment prevents and cures HIV, hepatitis C virus, and hepatitis B virus. But the Nigerian government is not interested. The people who elected them is now up to you people to join me, to put pressure on them about the stupidity, the cruelty they are showing to Nigerians who elected them. Thank you very much. Put it off now.